Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Draw, EO for UML. First, navigate to the Draw, EO website in your web browser. You'll find a clean, intuitive interface ready for diagramming. Draw, EO is a powerful, free online tool perfect for creating professional unified modeling language diagrams. It provides a vast library of shapes and templates, making it easy to get started. You can save your work to various cloud storage options or directly to your device, ensuring your diagrams are always accessible. Let's create your first UML diagram. Begin by selecting File, then New to open a new diagram. You can choose from many pre-built UML templates, like a class diagram or a use case diagram, or start with a blank canvas. On the left side, you'll see a comprehensive library of UML shapes. Simply drag and drop the required elements onto your drawing area. Connect these elements using the available connectors, and remember to add clear text labels to describe their purpose and relationships. Now, let's make your diagrams visually appealing and easy to understand. Draw, EO offers extensive customization options. You can easily change the fill color of shapes, adjust line thickness and style, and select different fonts for your text labels. For larger diagrams, grouping elements helps maintain organization, and using layers can simplify complex views. The grid and alignment tools are incredibly useful for ensuring all your elements are perfectly positioned, giving your diagram a professional finish. Finally, let's talk about saving and sharing your valuable work. Draw, EO provides flexible saving options. You can save your diagram directly to your computer or integrate with popular cloud services such as Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox for easy access and backup. When it's time to share, you have several export formats available, including high-quality PNG, JPEG, and scalable SVG files. This makes it simple to embed your diagrams in documents or presentations, or to share them with your team members.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.